If you want to understand engineering, all you have to watch is Ironman. It's about a guy who builds a suit so he can fight evil with it. In the beginning of the movie, you see he's building his own car, which makes him a mechanical engineer, maybe an automotive engineer. A part of his suit is he has to build this robotic-like thing that has so much electronics. It's a very complex looking electric design, which makes him, I guess, an electronics or an electrical engineer. But that cannot be used without building a software. So for his suit that he calls Jarvis, he built this very complex looking software that he can run his device on. But Jarvis hooks up to his body that they become one. I guess in a way it's a medical device. Maybe he's a biomedical engineer. The way he powers Jarvis is by some kind of power source that he designed. It is as strong as 3 nuclear reactors. So maybe he's a power systems engineer. And to fly, you need to be a controls engineer. Jarvis is able to fly indoor and outdoor, which makes it a very complex system for a controls engineer. What do you think? Let me know.